Hello guys and welcome to my channel. Today I am making a chicken and chorizo pasta. It's a really delicious creamy chicken and chorizo pasta dish, and it's quite simple to make as well. We need to make this, and you will need, if you're going to make this as well, you'll need 2 chicken breasts just cut into bite-sized pieces, 100 grams of chorizo chopped into small pieces, and I mean proper chorizo sausage, not the salami type. That's great for sandwiches, not exactly what we want here. We will need 150 mils of double cream, some parmesan, salt and pepper, and a little parsley just to scatter over at the end. Completely optional. If you don't have it, don't worry. And one of the key ingredients is some pasta. Obviously we're making pasta, so a pasta dish, so we need some pasta. I am using today papperdelle. It is my absolute favorite pasta, but you could use anything here. You could use tagliatelle, you could use penne, fusilli, whatever you've got. This works with a multitude of different pastas. So to speed things up, I'm using some boiling water from a kettle. It's always a good idea to use a lot of water when cooking pasta, because when you do this, it stops the water temperature from plummeting when the pasta goes in, because it's that causes your pasta to stick. And it is also very important to make sure your water is well salted. The water you cook pasta in should be as salty as the Mediterranean. And I like to go, I'm making this for 2 this evening, so I'm using, I give 3 nests per person. A little bit generous, but. And now that my pasta's on and it's looking after itself, I'm going to get on with the rest. So I just want a tiny drizzle of oil, and I'm going to add my chorizo to the pan just to help it start off. What I want from this is for it to start releasing its orange oils, those paprika juices. As soon as that starts coming out of the sausage, I'm ready to dump in my chicken. So I can see and smell that the chorizo started to emit its paprika oil, so in goes the chicken. And whilst my chicken is cooking away there now, I'm going to get on with just chopping up my parsley while I wait. My chicken and chorizo, a little toss about in the pan. And I'm now going to just mince in 2 cloves of garlic. So just cut into a piece of chicken. Yeah, I can see that is cooked through, so I'm going to reduce the heat pour in my cream. Stir that in. So I want to add about 2 tablespoons worth of grated parmesan. Stir that in. It smells so incredibly good. I just want to add a generous amount of cracked black pepper. I just want to check it for salt. The parmesan is very salty, so I just want to be careful. It does require a little more salt. And that's that. Sauce is ready. My pasta is ready. I just want to reserve a little of the pasta cooking water. And tip that in. Just going to add just a little bit of the pasta cooking water. Using the pasta cooking water really helps the sauce cling to the pasta, and it stretches your sauce a little further. And I am ready to serve. I think a little bit more parmesan.
Kicks, I've been looking for them all my life. Tricks,
And my parsley.
But somehow you were bulletproof.
And that is it. My chicken and chorizo pasta is ready. I can't wait to dive into this. Time for me to taste. It's so incredibly good. For this recipe, as always, you can follow the link in the description box below, which will bring you to my website where all my recipes are. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below, share the video, and please hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. And thanks for watching.